Okay, hello and welcome back, students and researchers. So, we have seen some of the aspects related to research writing in the previous video. So, in this video, we will discuss about systematic downloading and what is its mechanism. So, today I wanted to download some of the research papers from our library portal. So, once I tried to log in into that system, I saw a warning message that systematic downloading is strictly prohibited. So in this video we will try to learn what is systematic downloading and why is it prohibited. So basically when you try to download all the papers in a given issue of a journal, that is called as systematic downloading. Like you are downloading with a plan. That you are downloading the entire issue. So for those of you who don't know what is a issue or what is a volume, generally volume refers to the year and issue refers to the month. Okay, so suppose if yours is a monthly journal, the volume will be constant throughout the year, and each month you get one issue, like issue 1, issue 2, issue 3, like that. And if it's a like quarterly journal, there will be only 4 issues in the year, and so on so forth. Okay, so now let us say you are interested in a particular issue and you want to look at all the papers in that issue. So that is general enthusiasm. We cannot find fault with any of the student or the professor, because they are generally interested to have a look at what are the different papers, what is the editor's note for that, and what is the theme of this issue or what is the agenda of this issue. So they want to download the different articles in that paper, in that issue. Okay, so here the problem is that or sometimes what happens is there is a special issue of some journal, so they focus only on a narrow topic like AI in signal processing, whatever topic. Okay, so in that, so the curiosity of the readers is very high because it is a special issue which is addressing a particular topic and a hot topic in that area. So people are generally interested to go through all the papers which are there or read all the articles and tutorials, etc. So they may try to download. Same things may happen when a conference proceeding has been released. So there are some very good conferences where people are waiting to see the proceedings of that. So they want to know what papers were presented in that conference and what kind of research has been done. So people are curious to know. So then in that case also they may be tempted to download all the articles in that conference proceeding. So these are all called as systematic downloading, but people generally do not support this because there are fears that the contents may be misused. Like if some of the students download this content and upload it in some other pirated websites, then the efforts of the authors and the publishers will be going in vain. Like the publishers have to get some money through subscriptions or through individual paper payment. Like each, suppose you don't have the subscription, you have to pay for each paper certain money. So all that will be a loss to the publisher. And first of all, in the first place, students do not need all those articles in one place because they do not read that much, and they frankly they don't need, because they want only 2-3 papers from their project topic, and therefore the issue may have several other topics which are of no interest to them. And there is also a problem that genuine students might suffer, that they may not be able to download the paper on a particular day, because if this kind of misuse happens, so of course it's we are speaking on a larger scale. University wide there are some daily limits for how many papers you can download and how many papers you can search, etc. So if some of the students use up the bandwidth, then the genuine students may suffer. Okay, and that is also a frankly speaking, that is not a big issue. But if the university is large, like 20,000 or 30,000 students, then this kind of issue may also come. And main fear is that once you download all the papers in the issue, you may send it to someone through email, through your friend or someone, or people may upload it in some other pirated websites, so that will be a problem. And so this is systematic downloading, and therefore it is strictly prohibited. And then how do you avoid being fined? So generally, if people are found to do this systematic downloading, then the account may get blocked. The e-portal or the libraries, whatever e-journals are there or whatever it is there, that account may be blocked or suspended. Okay, so to avoid being fined for systematic downloads, what is the solution? So first best solution is that avoid doing systematic downloading. Okay, so so that is the first and foremost solution. There is no other solution for that. You have to refrain from doing this kind of systematic downloads. Okay, so hold your temptation and spread your download strategically over a few days, such that nobody gets a doubt that you are downloading the full issue. Okay, so download 3-4 papers today, then 3-4 papers tomorrow, and so on, and at the end of the week you will have the full issue with you, and no one will have any doubts. Okay, so this is all about the systematic downloading aspects in the research papers access. So we will come up with more such interesting topics, so stay tuned to this channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.